To use App Lock on Redmi Note 15, you have to start by opening the settings. Right now you will have to scroll down and navigate for Applications screen and select App Lock. Now we have to click to turn on and we'll have to set a privacy password. When you click over here, we can choose between 3 different password type, but in my case I would like to get the pattern one. So we have to input our password for the first time, for the second time to confirm, and now we have to click next. Now we are able to sign into our Xiaomi account. It will be very useful if you often forget your password, because without this one you will be not able to actually get access into your applications. If you forgot this password, the only way to do this, it will be actually to perform the factory reset, but you will lost all of your data. In my case, not now, because I have simple password and I'm not gonna forget this one. There we go. Right now, just unselect all of those apps. This is some default recommendation. You don't need this. Click to use App Lock. Now you can use your fingerprint sensor to actually unlock those apps. And now let's say that I want to lock, for example, my YouTube application that is located over here, YouTube Music. Now take a look. If I try to open the YouTube Music, I have to input my password, just like this. But what I can recommend you, what is useful to change this option, let's go here, click on the settings icon and now change the lock settings. Not when the device is locked, but every time when you are locking your screen or exiting the application. Thanks for watching this video.